Tired of your phone dying? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20,000, your ultimate solution for endless power on the go. This incredible portable charger isn't just another battery pack. It's a true lifeline for all your devices. With a massive 20,000 milliamp hours capacity, it can fully charge an iPhone 6 over 6 times, perfect for long trips or busy days. Imagine never scrambling for an outlet again. This device offers true freedom from low battery anxiety. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, which intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. No more slow charging, just optimal speed every single time, whether it's your phone or tablet. Plus, its dual USB ports mean you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing the charge or keeping all your gadgets ready. If you're looking for the best power bank that delivers reliability and speed, check out the Anker PowerCore 20,000 via the link in the description below. Its durable build and advanced safety features ensure not just power but peace of mind for your valuable electronics. For anyone serious about portable power in 2025, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 is an absolute must-have investment. Grab yours today.